Pwede bang i-summarize mo sa amin why this is truly a transformative kind of learning and it is something that the whole company can benefit from?
When people ask me, I always say it's foundational. It's foundational. That is transformative. Very important. Why is it? Because this skill, itong business analysis skills, teaches employees how to look at the business, how to analyze it. It provides them direction, all of these things. And the end result here is it gives them what's the right direction to pursue, how to use resources effectively. So, dun pa lang, and once one participant does it, and everyone does that, it translates to a much stronger, I guess, organization. The output is so much better. The directions are clearer. You have
Mm-mm.
higher success rate when it comes to business initiatives, and the business benefits from it. They get to see higher revenue, higher market share, and so forth. So that
Mm-mm.
alone, I think having more people being more than competent in doing business analysis is
Right.
really transformative for the business. The return is
Mm-mm.
really, yung multiplier nun, grabe.